Next up is messages. So like Christy mentioned earlier, many of you are used to messaging with your phone. Well, with our new Keller ISD logins, we can now use messages within the district, again, for productivity. So you see that I've used it before. If you're not familiar with the Messages app, maybe you have an Android or something like that, it's going to be in the top left corner. Now, do know that I can change the view of my iPad, but I kind of like it landscape. It's in the top left corner. It's that new button with the pencil and the paper. And you can use our directory. So we'll just pick on Misty again since Christy did already. So I just start typing. It finds that person in the directory, and when it finds it, pops up. I'm going to click on her name. Hopefully she's set up for messaging and she'll get this. I'm just going to type in my message. My exclamation point, got to have that exclamation point. And then the little upward facing arrow to the right in the blue circle is the send button. So I'm going to send that. And there it goes. Now, if you ever have an exclamation point over to the right, like I think I sent Aaron one earlier. Yeah, there's an example. You can click on that. Maybe your Wi-Fi is sketchy. You know, there's a lot of reasons it could maybe not be sent. You could just click on that exclamation point and try again. And I've had this work many times on my phone where later I get on better Wi-Fi and I can resend it. Let's say I want to know what time I sent something. So I'm going to go back to my Misty message. You could just swipe from the right to the left over your message and it will tell you, kind of hidden there. I don't know if y'all can see that, 11:49 a.m. is when I sent that message. Another thing just about messaging, and I always have to cheat. So I'm going to look at my slideshow because I have my handy dandy slideshow here. I always forget which color means what. The blue button, so depending on what you see on your messages app, the blue send indicates the message will be sent with iMessage, and the green indicates it's going to be sent with SMS and MMS, so with cellular service. So that's kind of interesting to have the color coding there. We already talked about the exclamation point, and we talked about the time. So we're on to the next one.